So discreet.
Alright, today we're shooting my friend's Barrett 50 cal. Fucker, I can't even aim with my helmet on, but whatever. About to one-hand it. Yeah. That's how you do it. What is this, baby? Oh my god, there's so much mud. Adam, look at your yard. Do a burnout. So, what kind of pipe is this? You got an FMF Super Power Core 6.9 Factory Edition. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. He's just destroying his yard. Oh my god. Look at the fucking dirt bike, dude.
It's snow next week anyway.
Look what you did to my dirt bike. Look what you did to PD's four-wheeler.
Oh my god, that thing was fucking going crazy.
This exhaust is so dirty now, dude.
Oh my pissed, dude. She was so pissed.
You're an idiot.
So fun, no.
You did the longest burnout and she was just watching you. Oh my god.
How long was she out there for?
Like, she was just screaming your name for
The whole time?
No.
Oh. I was gonna say she saw everything.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just what it's I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. That it feels right.
The exhaust made it.
The exhaust makes it so much better.
Yeah, dude.
It's a lot quieter.
That's the most redneck exhaust I've ever seen, but hell, it works, dude.
Oh yeah, better than nothing. It doesn't shake at all.
No, not really.